Hello, it's Brandy here, part of the design team for the Wild Hare Kits. I have my November kit finally, better late than never. We have a rotating postal strike for Canada Post here in Canada, so I didn't get it in time for the unboxing unveiling video day of November 2nd with the rest of the design team. So yeah, better late than never, save the best for last, you know, all those phrases. So here is my November kit. I ordered a Deluxe Kit again this month, and I'll read you Allison's note because it'll tell you how I filled out my style profile. So Allison says, I hope you love this kit. I took your instructions to curate something fun and cute and went with that over sending snow-themed products this time. I included some, but not too many, florals to fussy cut. Apparently this is my new addiction since being part of the Wild Hare Kits design team. I also sent some faves, chipboard and alpha, flare, acrylics, washi, and die cuts. I hope you love the November cut file. Enjoy. Fabulous. So, very exciting. So here we go. So when the projects I told Allison I'd be working on is I was traveling back to Alberta to spend a weekend just visiting my family. So total family, regular stuff, eating, playing cards, you know, that kind of thing. Then I was also traveling to New Brunswick to visit the other side of my family, and again doing kind of family stuff, just being together. So I wanted just really fun, bright, just stuff that would work for kind of those everyday photos that I knew I would be snapping, and absolutely hit the mark. So here we go. So first up is an acrylic from Bramble Fox, and it's We Are Family with a heart in black. It is absolutely fabulous. So I'll put my hand there so you can actually see how big it is. Just absolutely gorgeous. So really excited about that. Really excited. As well, some rub-ons, which I love, from Pink Paisley. This is the Whimsical by Paige Evans, and there's 2 pages to these, and I'm hoping it's not too shiny in here. We actually have sunshine in Vancouver for the first time in days, so I'm not used to having to deal with the sunshine glare. We're usually rainy. So there's some really great ones. Happy You're the Best, Love You to the Moon and Back, and just really nice and colorful. And then on the back, grateful, fun, little moments, family, like absolutely perfect. And I love that it comes with all these different little stitching rub-ons. I am one of those people who do not have a sewing machine yet to scrapbook with, and I just envy the look. So I'm really excited to kind of get that look with this month's kit. Also included is the Escape the Ordinary. This is gold foil chipboard thickers. This has got to be just the funnest set ever. I think there's a saying for everything in here. All kinds of colors, like some are super, super bright, but some are also really mature with that kind of craft background. So you can see here there's 2 sides. That is a lot of stickers. Well, thickers, I guess, chipboard. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. Let life surprise you. Blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventure. Create your own path. Make time for daily adventures. Collect beautiful moments. This is going to be really fun to play with family photos. And you can see how well these are. I'm going bright. I'm going fun. As usual, Allison supports my thickers addiction. These are the Eclair foam letter thickers. So I love the swoopiness of it. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And love that it comes with all the little asterisk-y things because I tend to use those in place of enamel dots. And that it's got numbers. That's always fabulous. I also noticed that the font in these really matches the Whimsical font. Again, well played. That's going to go together really well. The other thing that was included is a Good Vibes by Simple Stories. This is their cardstock die cut kit. So you can see on the back, there's all kinds of pieces here, but I did, before starting my video, also lay it out in this little box. But there's so many that in fact they're double layered. So it kind of didn't serve the purpose that I was hoping it would. But these are going to be just great for family. It was colder there. We got some snow and there's this little sweater. That's going to be super fun to play with. A little something awesome. Happy days. Hello. Hustlin'. I think this is going to be just absolutely perfect for family stuff. And again, keeping with that really bright theme that I wanted, that fun and really bright piece. So that's going to be really great. There's also some washi tape, so I'll just zoom in on that one here. And again, look at all those bright colors are there again that really align well with these pieces. Like, come on. And I think this is really fun. It just looks like, it's called Imagine, and it looks like brush strokes, if you will, like kind of random colorful brush strokes. So that's really great. Thank you, Simple Stories. I also got one of these little fabulous packages, which are always fun and exciting to get because it's like a package in a package, so you get 2 presents. Yeah, so this is going to be really great. And I love the glacé bag. I tend to put those directly in my pages. So thanks to Sue's Fish, who's encourage that behavior with all of her amazing creations. So in here is some flair I've got and some acrylic. So here's this awesome and symbol, which is just so perfect for family. It's white. It's going to look great on anything. I just love it. I'll throw that there. There's flair, you make me happy. This really great hexagon. Yesterday, fabulous. Aw, a little love there. And another ampersand symbol. So I think that's going to be great. And again, all really colorful. It's going to go really well with everything. All right. So the paper. All right, so here we go. Ooh, I love a black and white. Goodness, this is when it's hard to do the unboxing because you just want to pause and just start creating. So this is fabulous, classic black and white. This is a Heidi Swap Magnolia Lane, and here's the other side. Oh, also really fun, kind of like a granite look to it. And this one is called Polished, so probably granite based on the title. I am definitely prone to this side, I have to be honest, but who doesn't love a good black and white? Ooh, I love arrows. This is Simple Stories. This is from the Little Dude collection, and this one's called Little Man. So bright colors on one side, kind of the same colors that are carried through that kit, which is fabulous. I love dots. And then these arrows on the back, which is also great. So kind of the more of, kind of feels a little bit more mature to me, but I think it could really be played either way. I love this side. Ooh, and that side too. Ah. One of those ones where you have to cut out the middle so you can use both. Okay. Here we go, Pink Paisley. This is Paige Evans. So this, her whimsical collection. This is great. Who did I just see the other day on YouTube that was cutting these up into individual hexagons, and oh, they were just gorgeous. So love these colors, and this is that same collection, so you can see the color scheme there. So it's really going to go through all of them. And then I just love a good rainbow stripe. That's just fabulous. Ooh, look at this guy. Pink Paisley again. So this is Paige Evans. This is her whimsical. I should have known, it's so bright and fun. This is really great. I don't know if I've seen a creation of this yet on Instagram. I'm going to have to do some searching up. And then here's the back with the blue, and it's just a tiny little muted flower on there, which is really great. So those are both really fun. Oh my God, little strawberries in there. That's great. So Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Whimsical. So here's some florals. So I think this is the one that Allison was talking about fussy cutting. Don't mind if I do. This will be fabulous for fussy cutting, and I just really like this blue background color that's throughout this whimsical collection. That's a great blue. Oh, but I like the other side as well. Ooh, pink stripe, always good, especially diagonal. Yeah, we will see, because I love both, but my scissors are itching to get into that one, so. Here is the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Whimsical. This is like little banners, if you will, and it looks like these would cut out really easy. Again, more fussy cutting, but would also probably make a really cool, just solid background as well. And just dream, plan, create, everything totally home, hands, heart, be brave, grateful, let's make things, smile, laugh, play. Like, this is gorgeous. Perfect as boring. My family is definitely not boring. Oh, but look at this side. So this is, I always say this word wrong, ombre, a purple. So if you can see that, and there's a bit of a slice of pink in here as well that's kind of built in as it shades up, or shades down, I guess, if it's getting darker. That is gorgeous. Wow, that's another tough one. Oh, it's always hard when the A and Bs are both amazing. So this is Whimsical. This one is called, I'm losing it here. Why can I not see what it's called? Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. Whimsical number 17. There you go. So stars on a bit more of a tealy blue background, which is kind of very close to my signature color if I had to have one. And stars. Love stars. I always find stars the easiest embellish ever whenever dealing with kids, especially boys. And with stars, I find with, you know, I'm kind of prone to the masculine colors with boys, but these pinks don't scare me at all if they're in a star shape. So this is fabulous. This is going to be a lot of fun. I can think of a couple pictures already. But then, there's this pink ombre thing again. And that's going to be really hard to not use as well. I was traveling with my sister to New Brunswick, or with all of my sisters in Alberta when I was there. So this would have a good place for us gals, but we will see. Both really good. All right. Oh, I love the pink little hearts. I'm such a heart girl. This is fabulous. So this is pink, and it also goes from lighter to darker. So it has that same kind of concept, and a great branding strip. Oh, and this other side is the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up collection, number 16. That's great. So that's kind of got little muted flowers on it. It's a stripe. I think you could disregard the flowers and just play with it as a stripe, or really play out the flowers. So I think that's going to be really good. Oh, I love this. Oh, a rainbow, primary color rainbow. Fabulous. That's really good. Sort of a chevron-y pattern. And this one is Paige Evans Whimsical. This is number 2. Oh, and the brush strokes. That's really great. And that's on that darker blue, but still brings in those same colors. Fabulous. I'd probably be prone to this side. Not going to lie to you. I love it. Oh, there's the cut file. Okay, so here's the November cut file. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is a wreath. This is, I would say, a timeless wreath. You could do some holly on there and some red berries for winter. You could do fall leaves. I think you could put flowers on there. I mean, we could fussy cut these. Where are those fussy cutties? Like, how great would those fussy cut around that to be more of a summer into kind of late bloom wreath? This is really great. So if you get a deluxe kit, you do get the cut file. If you get a petite kit, you can specifically ask for the cut file. That's all part of the benefit of the hand curated design concept that Allison's created here at the Wild Hare Kits. But you also, with your kits, you will get access to the cut files for the past year. So if you have one of those fancy magic cutting machines, then there are so many good ones in there. So yeah, there you go. So that's the November cut file. So stay tuned for designs from the design team. And here's a pink fresh piece from the BU collection called Brave. We'll love the name. Love these florals, the two-tone peaches there. That is fabulous. What a great pattern paper. And this side just makes me so happy. I love navy. Love the circles on there. It looks like it's got a bit of dimension with it just by the way that the circles are. So that's really great. Wow. So that there is my November kit. Well worth the wait. I have to tell you that. I was itching to get it, knowing that it was caught up at the postal place. Maybe a 20-minute drive from me, but they don't really have a drive-through there. I couldn't show up and say, can I have my stuff? So there you go. That is my kit. Super excited to start playing and sharing with you the creations I've got. Many of the other design team members have their unboxing videos and have already started to unveil their designs. So please check out our Instagram, the Wild Hare Kits, as well as our website, which has our blog and gallery, thewildharekits.com. Thanks so much.